from Castellano. The bikes have spent the night in the garage, which was very good. And this place was full of bikes this morning. And now everyone's on the trails, and we're about to do the same. We will catch up then. Maybe. Yeah. Just. I'm trying not to run off the road to have a look around.
Yeah, better not. I need you more than I need a video.
Yeah.
Can you imagine me alone?
Well, who's going to turn your bike around?
More rocks.
Yeah, more rocks.
And gorge is because it's very steep down there.
I'm just around the corner. Yeah. Tried to have a look over, but yeah, bit difficult.
It's steep.
Yeah, well, I don't want to be sitting around the bend there.
You can just say it's use your imagination.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, that was a bit of an overhang where we were.
It is just beautiful. On the wrong side of the road. Yeah. Watch where you're going, Anka, because that works around. But no, it's quite deep.
Yeah.
You are correct. Yet again, when you say that this part of France would be magnificent.
Yeah. I do love the south of France. It's stunning countryside. All these gorges through the through the mountains.
Road is just asking for bikers.
Yeah. Wow.
It's like the French in the south side of France don't know how to build straight roads.
That's good.
Nice.
Yeah.
Have you seen the river down there? And
yeah, I've seen a bit. When you get over the bridge, you'll have a bit of a view. You get out of that sun too. Oh wow, that is really nice. No one coming. Wow, I wonder where that.
yeah, you can go up as well if you haven't.
Yeah, really nice view, that's for sure. Nice. Yeah, well, we don't want to go to Nice, that's for sure. That's the big smoke.
So you have to give a horn before you go.
Ah, yeah.
It's mandatory. That's what the sign was saying.
Ah, okay, I didn't read it. I missed the bridge and everything.
Rain.
Yeah, they've had some rain around here.
What did you miss? There's a rock.
The bridge over just back behind us, and
well, there are plenty of bridges and buildings at the top there.
yeah, I see the
hanging the rock.
they've built on top of the rock.
Surprise, surprise.
Yeah.
And it's not even a rock, it's limestone.
Yeah. Look at that bridge, railway bridge over there. Quite substantial.
Substantial the amount of houses on perched on the edge.
Oh yeah.
Maybe I should do that. I wanted
That's
to
a
be
long
close
way
to my-
down. Bloody hell.
Yeah, you have a look. I'm safe on this side.
Yeah.
A lot
So
of lime.
nice. Yeah.
And there's a house perched right on one hill there.
Yeah.
Be careful, there's some rocks on the road.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, you got to watch what's coming down. If you come around a corner and hit one of those, you know all about it.
It's
Wow,
interesting to see
the
so
railings
many-
come off.
Yeah, limestone hills.
Yeah.
Quite impressive. I hope you are getting a good footage because I'm not looking down. I mean, I looked, but
Yeah.
better to watch where I'm going.
Well, like
there's
there,
a lot of rock around here. Just be careful.
Yeah, yeah. Oh shit. Yep. How's my girl? Alright?
Oh, I'm just enjoying the scenery. So I'm taking it easy so I can actually have a look,
Yeah.
but not too much.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
And watch where I'm going. But yeah, no, it's
I'll go in front and
you're good.
keep an eye out for you. We know we're somewhere near the spot because we can see it. X. Thramhort is the name of this town. It's got a traffic light leading into it, so I'm guessing it's a narrow road. Someone's parked their Royal Enfield there. We're off to the right. And then to the left. We're following a brilliant road which is on the edge of the river, what was it, La Isole, and it's only a very small river, but very beautiful. Nice little spots where you could stop and have a picnic or something along the way. Yeah.
Because there are layers of rocks and volcano ash, must have been an active volcano a few millennia ago.
Yeah. Got a rock on the corner there.
That's right.
Wow, this looks amazing. Little just wavy rock. Car coming. There we go. What's this little say? Reserve Natural Geologic de Haute Province. We're turning right. Yeah. Whoop, 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 whoop. Stop the postie in their tracks.
And you can see through the slices of the mountain that how many activity and why this is a geological site.
Yeah.
Because you can, how to say, I've seen many times the rocks tell a story.
Ah, yeah.
What has happened many eons ago.
Yeah.
It's quite fascinating to see the rock formation and the ash and how many layers of that it is.
Yeah.
So, yeah. I'm
Okay.
wondering how many millions of years ago.
Lots. Okay, I'm switching off the camera. I've seen enough of this. See the... Oh, I'm just going to pull up for a sec. The colours of the rock.
Nice.
Yeah. Okay, do you want me? No sign on it. Someone's masterful effort at recreating a pine cone, I suppose.
Ah, look at that in front, so nice.
The road goes that way a bit.
Hold on, I'll take a picture. There's no one coming.
I was going to say the road goes that way a bit.
Just hold on, no, this is perfect.
Okay.
Just wait for me. Oh, look at you going in the grass. I'll take a pic. Oh yeah, perfect.
Selfie?
Hold on. Hold on.
Can you twist?
Shh, 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 shh.
Why? Shh.
What twist? Hold on. Take a bit.
I was going to say, can you twist and put the camera behind you?
Hello. Hello, my boy.
Hello, my girl.
We are in somewhere. Oh, look at that. Pine cone.
Actually, there's some info.
There's a plaque there.
It's gone. It's just a piece of steel. Okay, come on. Enough of that.
Shh.
2 secs, that's enough.
Hold on. It's a very nice color in the background. Hold on, stop there. That.
Nice little bend.
And there's a hairpin. Yep.
Yeah, it's very open. Road work ahead, but look at the black earth on the left.
The black one?
The little hills here.
Ah, yeah.
Jet black. Maybe. Yeah. The rock formations are amazing. It's a layer of rock, then a whole pile of like slate-like ash in between, and then another layer of rock. And the ash gets washed out and then the rocks fall. Interesting. Interesting. There's a little spot to have a look.
Oh, wow. Nice.
That is a long way down and a long way off in the distance. Look at the rocks above you as well.
Same formation everywhere.
Yeah. We've got a traffic light somewhere, have we? Col de Pierre Basse.
The peak of low stone.
Okay. helping protect the riders from the falling rocks. There'd be a lot of them that would have come down, that's for sure.
I don't know if there are multiple volcanoes, or I guess so, because the area is quite vast.
Yeah.
Very volcanoes area.
Yeah.
And then
You'd need itchy boots to come out here and tell you all about it. She's the geologist.
yeah.
Alright. Okay, we have just come from something to Bain.
Digne-les-Bains.
Ah, there you go. You said it perfectly. And our trail is now bringing us alongside a riverbed. Lots of twists and turns.
Before we go ahead further with your commentary,
Yeah.
have you wiped the lens?
Yeah.
Okay.
Shall we carry on?
Yes.
Okay.
We shall.
So something's in there. Don't know what. Some prehistoric animal or something, maybe. Anyhow, we're enjoying the road. It's pretty good. Nice and level, no big hills, no switchbacks.
Let me guess. Rock and ashes?
Yeah, that will feature, no doubt. My girl will get involved in that.
We had a good lunch feed at the brasserie.
Oh, that was so good. I really enjoyed it. I had gnocchi with salad, and it had what was it on the top?
Parmesan.
Parmesan, but the meat
Prosciutto.
prosciutto. Yeah, lush. It was really good. Really good. Anyhow, lots of dry river, well, riverbed, little streams running here and there, but that's about it.
So whomever bought houses on the edge of the river, now the land is not worth the same as...
Well, the river view would be fantastic, but all they got is rock.
Yeah.
I hope they like rocks as much as you do, darling. Beautiful view. It's almost like 3D, you can see around the rocks. Discussing the safety issues on site. And here's some more. And more.
High school, learning about
Yeah.
geology.
How to make good roads for motorcyclists.
Yeah.
Okay. This looks interesting.
So are you filming?
I'm filming.
Nice.
Yeah. Oh, water's coming down.
Interesting.
Yeah.
These rocks are very old.
Yeah. Yes, I have turned the camera on. Another one of those cones. Yeah, come along. Yeah. Well, it hasn't got dirty from last time, but yeah, I just wiped it. Yeah. Do you want to pull over here? Okay. Alright. I'm following you. We're out from the gorges and onto the highway again. Pulling to Lebanon. Big town. Got a very good view of the mountains. Very barren, nothing growing. A couple of scrub trees, I suppose. We're in an old world village, are we? We're down. Yeah, we're heading down, so maybe we'll get to go in some... Hello there.
Hello.
Limestone.
You will see it from here very nicely.
Yeah.
There's no car coming, so you can let them look.
Oh yeah.
And guess what?
I can hear you again now.
Yeah. Guess what?
What?
This is Ash.
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
Ash, what's her last name?
Lee.
Ashley. Ah, that's nice. Yeah, it's black as all the little shards of it down the base where the water runs. Left.
Look at that. Talking about wonderful things.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yep. Ah, ta-da.
It's like a chapel.
Yeah.
Nice. Impressive.
Yeah.
That's all I can say.
It's quite a big dam, that. There's actually two dams. There's one down the bottom and then there's one up the top here.